He knows his.
Anyway.
Tell me.
Nothing. It's a private joke.
Oh, this is for me and Mom.
I never heard it before. Private joke.
Joke.
Yeah,
You won't understand
that one. He's a die.
That one's at first.
Oh, really? Okay.
I won't understand why you're like, what?
They look like a box of C's when you
So
run.
yeah, those are for you up there, Lise, from
Thanks, Trace.
various of us.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, there's
This is
screen and tape on here.
interesting to see what's happening. Huh. What do you think?
I don't see it.
This will change your life.
A Kindle?
Is this a
It's the Barnes and Noble Nook.
for
You get Netflix,
Books?
books, internet, email.
Oh my God.
really?
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is awesome.
You can watch Netflix at night just like I'm in bed.
Oh my God, this is awesome.
But it's not the Amazon one. It's the Barnes and Noble one. So you can connect to their marketplace and you can download all of the Android.
Oh my God. I don't even know how to.
You'll figure it out.
All right.
What does fire mean?
Oh, okay. Later on, we're gonna talk about
I'll
that.
let you know.
Yeah, that's a story.
You're going modern. Everything. There's always something new.
It's a stylus. You can use
Oh,
it
to use on that?
Yeah. So you
Okay.
can type with it, type of thing.
Okay.
That's
wow.
amazing. Those are really my
So
parents.
I can lay in bed
And watch
parents
Netflix.
love that.
and connect to the internet.
Yeah.
Why do I have the fancy one I have? iPod.
Because you could do that too.
Well, but you've got a good machine.
Yeah, you got it.
The iPad's awesome.
What?
This is like a quarter the price, though.
Yeah.
Hi.
Okay, I'll need help setting it up.
I'll help you.
All right.
I got a Kindle Fire.
Kindle
It's
Fire.
the same thing. It's the same thing.
Uh-huh. Wow. Oh, isn't that